Racing race number 3. Racing just is started. We have Symphony break weekly at the start. Running by the rail, Senior Cricket. Moving up now on the outside is Ziamo Familia. Down on the inside, Cats Away, Brazilian Babe. Then next online now is Nabra Calaba. Europa, Moscovado alongside. Then comes Masquerade, while Gintong Gantimpala is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. When going along for the first turn, we have Cats Away and on the outside Siamo Familia. 4 lengths further back in third comes Symphony. Nabratella comes next. Senior Cricket. Europe is down on the inside. Brazilian Babe comes next. Moscovado, Masquerade, while Gintong Gantimpala is still racing in less back to the leader. We have Ziamo Familia now takes command down on the inside. Cats Away. Symphony is racing in third. Then here comes Europa now moving up to take fourth. Then comes Nabratella, Senior Cricket, and on the outside now is Brazilian Babe, Moscovado, Masquerade, and Gintong Gantimpala, and they are now entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Symphony by about 2 lengths. Then on the outside Europa. That on the inside now is Ziamo Familia with about 100 meters of the race. We have Symphony, Europa in second. Last 50 meters, it's all Symphony. And finally, Symphony. Second is Europa. Then comes Moscovado, Senior Cricket, Ziamo Familia, Cats Away.